Hi guys, Joe again here from Ultraframe Windows and Doors in Matraville. Just want to try and give you a bit of an insight about double glazed units, what they offer as a product. Double glazed units are low E coated and argon gas filled. So what happens there is when the sun on the outside is trying to transfer the heat into your property, the low E coating, which is a low emissivity coating, and the argon gas that's in the double glazed unit, which is an inert gas, that contributes in stopping the sun transferring through into the property, and it also works with regards of heat that's escaping from the property. It will retain it into the property, and that also works on cool air. We have a very cool box in the showroom. When you come and see us, ask for a demonstration. Obviously you won't understand now, but these two glasses are very different. One's got a coating and one hasn't. The bulbs behind act as heat, so when we turn the light on, that obviously sends a heat transfer. One that you touch, you will feel heat coming through, and the one that's got the coating, you won't feel the heat coming through. And as I say, when you're in the showroom, please ask and we'll show you this, and it will give you a real understanding of what the coatings on the glass mean. I hope that helps, and thanks for your time.